Many people walk around unaware of a silent threat lurking within their body's insulin resistance. This condition often goes unnoticed because it doesn't have obvious symptoms in its early stages. People may feel perfectly fine, yet their bodies are struggling to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Insulin resistance, often a precursor to type 2 diabetes, disrupts the body's natural way of using insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Insulin acts like a key, allowing sugar to enter cells where it can be used for energy. When the body becomes resistant, this process is hindered. When your body becomes resistant to insulin, sugar can't enter your cells efficiently, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Over time, this can cause the pancreas to produce more insulin in an attempt to lower blood sugar, but eventually, it can't keep up. This can have serious consequences for your health, increasing your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other chronic conditions. High blood sugar levels can damage blood vessels and nerves, leading to complications that affect various parts of the body, including the heart, kidneys, and eyes. The good news is that insulin resistance is reversible in its early stages, especially in the case of prediabetes and early diabetes. By identifying the problem early and taking action, you can prevent the progression to type 2 diabetes and reduce the risk of associated health issues. By making positive lifestyle changes, you can regain control of your blood sugar and prevent long-term health problems. Regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and maintaining a healthy weight are key components in managing insulin resistance. Exercise helps lower blood glucose both during and after workouts due to increased GLUT4 transporter activity on muscle cells. Insulin resistance often results in poor metabolism of fats, leading to accumulation of fatty acids in cells. Increasing fatty acid utilization through exercise or dietary changes, like lowering carbohydrate intake, can improve insulin sensitivity. Healthy mitochondria improve cellular energy production and help reduce oxidative stress, which can be a contributor to insulin resistance. Nutrients like B vitamins, CoQ10, and antioxidants help maintain mitochondrial function. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your daily routine that add up to big results over time. Simple actions like choosing whole grains over refined ones, incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals, and setting achievable fitness goals can make a significant difference. Think of it as an investment in your future health and well-being. The effort you put in now can lead to a longer, healthier life, free from the complications associated with insulin resistance and diabetes. With the right knowledge and a little effort, you can take control of your health and live your life to the fullest. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family, and seek out resources that can help you stay motivated and informed. This isn't just about numbers on a scale or a blood test. It's about feeling your best, having more energy, and preventing serious health issues down the line. Embrace the journey towards better health, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to a vibrant, fulfilling life. One of the most powerful weapons in your arsenal against insulin resistance is exercise. It's not just about losing weight or building muscle. It's about enhancing your body's ability to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Physical activity acts like a key, unlocking your cells and allowing them to use insulin more effectively. This process is crucial for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels and preventing spikes that can lead to health issues. When you engage in regular exercise, your muscles become more sensitive to insulin, meaning they can absorb glucose from your bloodstream more efficiently. This not only helps in managing diabetes, but also in preventing it. This helps lower your blood sugar levels and improves your overall insulin sensitivity. Regular physical activity can be a game changer for those struggling with insulin resistance. The best part is, you don't need to become a marathon runner to reap the benefits. Simple, consistent activities can make a significant difference. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This can be broken down into shorter sessions if needed, making it easier to fit into a busy schedule. This could include brisk walking, swimming, cycling, or any other activity that you enjoy and can sustain over time. Dancing is another excellent option. Anything that gets your heart rate up and makes you break a sweat can be beneficial. The key is to find something you love so that it doesn't feel like a chore. If you're new to exercise, start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's important to build a foundation and avoid injury. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard, especially in the beginning. Remember, consistency is key. Over time, your endurance and strength will improve. Even short bursts of activity throughout the day can make a difference. These mini workouts can add up and contribute to your overall fitness. Think about incorporating more movement into your daily life. Small changes can lead to big results over time. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. This simple change can increase your daily activity level significantly. Walk or bike to work if possible. Not only does this add exercise to your day, but it can also be a great way to clear your mind and reduce stress. Or simply take a few minutes to stretch or walk around every hour. These small breaks can improve circulation and keep your energy levels up. Making exercise a regular part of your routine can significantly improve your insulin sensitivity and overall health. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your well-being, one step at a time. Additionally, combining physical activity with mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga can enhance your mental health, reducing stress and promoting a balanced life. Remember, exercise is just one part of the equation. Pairing it with a balanced diet rich in whole foods can amplify the benefits, helping you achieve optimal health. Stay hydrated and give your body the nutrients it needs to recover and thrive. Water is essential for all bodily functions, including the efficient use of insulin. Set realistic goals and celebrate your progress along the way. Every step forward is a victory, no matter how small it may seem. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Whether it's friends, family, or a fitness group, having a support system can keep you motivated and accountable. Keep track of your journey. Journaling your workouts and progress can provide insight and keep you focused on your goals. Finally, remember to enjoy the process. Exercise should be a joyful part of your life, not a burden. Find what works for you and embrace it fully. Your body is your best friend. Treat it with care, and it will reward you with better health, more energy, and a greater sense of well-being. Losing even a small amount of weight can have a dramatic impact on insulin resistance. This is because weight loss, even in modest amounts, can help your body use insulin more effectively. Insulin is a hormone that helps your cells absorb glucose from your bloodstream, and when your body becomes resistant to insulin, it can lead to higher blood sugar levels and eventually type 2 diabetes. Excess weight, especially visceral fat, which accumulates around your abdominal organs, can interfere with insulin's ability to function properly. Visceral fat is particularly harmful because it surrounds vital organs like the liver and pancreas, disrupting their normal functions. This type of fat is more metabolically active than subcutaneous fat, which is the fat that lies just under your skin. This type of fat releases hormones and inflammatory substances that contribute to insulin resistance. These substances, known as adipokines, can cause chronic inflammation and disrupt the balance of hormones that regulate metabolism. Over time, this can lead to a vicious cycle where increased insulin resistance leads to more fat accumulation, which in turn worsens insulin resistance. By losing just 5 to 7% of your body weight, you can significantly improve your insulin sensitivity and reduce your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. This means that if you weigh 200 pounds, losing just 10 to 14 pounds can make a substantial difference. Such a small reduction in weight can lead to significant health benefits, including lower blood pressure, improved cholesterol levels, and reduced inflammation. For example, if you weigh 200 pounds, losing just 10 to 14 pounds can make a big difference. This weight loss can be achieved through a combination of dietary changes and increased physical activity. It's important to set realistic goals and celebrate small victories along the way, as these can help keep you motivated and on track. The key to sustainable weight loss is to focus on making gradual, healthy changes to your diet and lifestyle. This includes eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Avoiding processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats can also help you achieve your weight loss goals. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water is crucial for overall health and can aid in weight loss. Crash diets and extreme calorie restriction are not only unsustainable, but can also be harmful to your health. These approaches can lead to nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, and a slowed metabolism, making it harder to maintain weight loss in the long run. Instead of focusing on quick fixes, aim for a balanced approach that you can maintain over time. Instead, aim to create a calorie deficit by consuming slightly fewer calories than you burn each day. This can be achieved by monitoring your food intake and making mindful choices about portion sizes. Using tools like calorie tracking apps can help you stay on track and ensure that you're meeting your nutritional needs while still creating a calorie deficit. Remember that weight management is not just about the number on the scale. It's also about improving your overall health and well-being. This includes managing stress, getting enough sleep, and staying active. Regular physical activity, such as walking, jogging, or yoga, can help you maintain a healthy weight and improve your insulin sensitivity. It's about improving your overall health and well-being. Engaging in activities that you enjoy, such as playing with your kids, gardening, or dancing, can make staying active more enjoyable and sustainable. Finding a support system, whether it's friends, family, or a weight loss group, can also provide encouragement and accountability. By making sustainable changes to your diet and exercise habits, you can lose weight, improve your insulin sensitivity, and reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. These changes don't have to be drastic. Even small, consistent efforts can lead to significant health improvements over time. Remember, the journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. In our fast-paced world, sleep is often neglected. However, getting enough shut-eye is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can interfere with insulin's ability to do its job. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. This may seem like a luxury, but it's essential for your physical and mental health. To improve your sleep hygiene, establish a regular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and avoid using electronic devices in the hour before bed. Engaging in relaxing activities like taking a warm bath or reading a book can also help signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Prioritizing sleep is not a sign of weakness. It's a sign of self-care. When you consistently get enough sleep, you'll likely notice an improvement in your energy levels, mood, and focus, all while supporting your body's ability to regulate blood sugar effectively. Fatty acids. Found in sources like fatty fish, flaxseed, and chia seeds, omega-3s reduce inflammation, which is often heightened in insulin-resistant states. Incorporating these fats may improve insulin sensitivity by reducing cellular inflammation. Imagine a world where a simple dietary change can make a significant impact on your health. Omega-3 fatty acids are those tiny heroes working behind the scenes, fighting off inflammation and bolstering your body's ability to regulate insulin effectively. By including omega-3 rich foods in your diet, you're not just making a healthy choice, you're actively supporting your body's metabolic processes. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3s. If you're plant-based, don't worry. Flaxseed, chia seeds, and walnuts are fantastic alternatives. These foods are easy to incorporate into your meals, whether it's adding flaxseed to your morning smoothie or enjoying a grilled salmon dinner. Scientific studies have shown that omega-3s can lower levels of inflammation markers in the body. This reduction in inflammation can lead to better insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to manage blood sugar levels. So, the next time you're planning your meals, think about adding a little more omega-3 to your diet. It's a small change that can lead to big benefits for your overall health. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Medicine Health 360 for more insights into maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Give us a thumbs up if you found this information helpful and share your thoughts in the comments below. Together we can build a community focused on better health and a better life. Stay tuned for more videos on how to take control of your health, one step at a time. Exercise and sports medicine offer profound insights into managing insulin sensitivity and improving overall health. Let's dive into how physical activity can be a game changer for your metabolic health. Muscle insulin sensitivity. Exercise, particularly resistance training and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, stimulates muscle cells to increase glucose uptake independently of insulin. This effect continues for hours post-exercise. Imagine your muscles becoming more efficient at using glucose, even when insulin levels are low. That's the power of consistent exercise. Reducing muscle. Lipid stores. Regular physical activity reduces lipid buildup in muscle tissue, which can impair insulin signaling. By engaging in regular exercise, you're not just burning calories. You're actively reducing the fat stored in your muscles, making them more responsive to insulin. Enhanced glucose transporters, GLUT4. Exercise stimulates the translocation of GLUT4 transporters to the cell surface, facilitating glucose entry into the muscle cells and reducing blood sugar levels. Think of GLUT4 as tiny doormen, opening the gates for glucose to enter your muscle cells more efficiently, thus helping to lower your blood sugar levels. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine doesn't have to be daunting. Whether it's a brisk walk, a HIIT session, or lifting weights, each activity contributes to better muscle insulin sensitivity and overall metabolic health. Remember, every step you take towards a more active lifestyle is a step towards better health. Specific nutrients play a crucial role in managing insulin sensitivity and overall metabolic health. Let's explore some of the most impactful ones. Fiber. Fiber slows glucose absorption, stabilizing blood sugar levels. Including fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet can make a significant difference in your blood sugar management. Pause 2s. Magnesium. Magnesium helps regulate glucose levels and improve insulin sensitivity. You can find this essential mineral in leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. Think of magnesium as a key player in your body's glucose regulation team, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Omega-3 fatty acids. These reduce inflammation, which is often elevated in insulin-resistant states. Sources include fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds. By incorporating omega-3s into your diet, you're not just fighting inflammation, you're also supporting your body's insulin sensitivity. Understanding the role of these specific nutrients can empower you to make better dietary choices. Small changes, like adding more fiber, magnesium, and omega-3s to your meals, can lead to big improvements in your overall health. While diet and lifestyle changes are crucial, sometimes additional medical and pharmacological approaches are necessary to manage insulin sensitivity and overall metabolic health. Let's explore some of these options. Metformin. For some individuals, metformin can improve insulin sensitivity by reducing glucose production in the liver and enhancing glucose uptake in muscle. This medication is often one of the first lines of defense in managing blood sugar levels effectively. GLP-1 receptor agonists. Medications like liraglutide help reduce blood sugar levels by increasing insulin secretion and slowing gastric emptying. These medications can be particularly helpful for those who struggle to manage their blood sugar through diet and lifestyle alone. It's important to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of action for your individual needs. With the right combination of diet, lifestyle changes, and medical interventions, managing insulin sensitivity and improving your metabolic health is within reach.